Good evening. Looking towards the past a little bit, this previous weekend we did have some very much spring-like conditions. I got out on Sunday and walked around Eastern's campus and took this photo out by the pond, out by Carmen Hall on the southeastern corner of our campus. If you can see closely enough, you can see some geese that made a little bit of fun in the sun on Sunday, and we did have some more fun in the sun today. Right now, though, the sun has set conditions in the lower to mid 40s for a lot of the area. 42 here in Charleston, and of course that is down from our daytime high. We're here in Charleston. We were almost up to the 50s, 48 for our high. Along the southern part of our viewing area, we saw the warmest temperatures, including 52 in Effingham and 54 in Terre Haute. Overnight tonight, we are going to be continuing to drop down below freezing, 31 for our overnight low. Partly cloudy skies, and we do have the possibility for some fog developing throughout the night tonight and into early morning tomorrow. So if you are commuting to work or school, make sure to give yourself a couple extra minutes to maneuver through that fog on the roads tomorrow morning. Speaking of, on our bus stop forecast, if you're getting off to school tomorrow, that fog will be staying with us throughout the early part of the morning, about 31 for your temperature about 7 o'clock. Now, by the time that you're headed home, though, we are going to be back up into the mid 40s, 45 and clear skies, and that is going to be the theme for the entirety of tomorrow. 46 for our daily breakdown temperature tomorrow, Tuesday. We have sunny skies throughout the entire outlook, as well as warming temperatures. 8 a.m. we're going to be right at freezing, 32. By the time we get to the noon hour, we're already at 44 for our current feels like temperatures. Now, looking at futurecasts here, we're not going to be seeing a whole lot apart from the fog and the clouds coming through the area overnight tonight. By the time we reach the early part of tomorrow morning, though, and as we get into the afternoon, we're going to be seeing a lot of that cloud cover and that fog dissipating, meaning that we have another beautiful sunny day across east central Illinois, and that will be continuing for the next couple of days at least. Wednesday, clear skies continue. High pressure system overhead has not worked its way out yet. 51 for our high on Wednesday, and though we do warm up on Thursday, we do have a couple more clouds into the skies, and we do have a chance of rain Thursday night into Friday. But again, 55 for our high, and we could even be seeing temperatures go higher than that, and that's in part to what we're seeing in our upper level air. We have this ridge of warmer air that's currently sat over Texas, Oklahoma, that will be continuing to move to the east as we move throughout the rest of our work week. By the time we reach Wednesday and into Thursday, we do have a trough of colder air that will be settling over Wisconsin and Minnesota. That won't be affecting us as much as it will some of those other states, but we will be seeing a little bit of a temperature drop into the weekend. But looking at the past, though, what we saw this past month of January, we did have below average temperatures for the month of January. Our average temperature for the month is 37.9 degrees. We only got up to 37.1. Along with that, we were very much above average, 5.95 inches of rain here in Charleston. That is much higher than our total of just over 2.5 inches of rain. Now, looking at our 7-day outlook here, again, a beautiful couple of days ahead, 46 on Tuesday and 51 on Wednesday. We do have that chance of rain Thursday night into Friday morning, but apart from that, we get up nearly to the 60s on Friday. We could be seeing temperatures into the 60s, but 59 right now. We do cool off a little bit as we start the weekend, 48 on Saturday and 45 on Sunday. But by the time we start next work week, we'll be seeing conditions back into the 50s. That's been a look at your Skywatch forecast.